Guess what I'm doing? Yep, you got it right. Okay, let's try to figure out where you're gonna sit. Nowhere fancy or anything. I didn't get you, front row seating or nothing. There we go. Alright. This is what I've done so far. And I'm going to keep on and keep on and keep on until this whole thing is mapped in every aspect possible. So get your popcorn and watch the show. This is going to get pretty cool. Especially as time moves on. Ruh-roh. I brought my tablet to listen to music on. However, it is currently holding my projector in place because I didn't think of what to do when I got it out here as to how to hold it in place. So I placed it on my tablet very strategically to make sure that it got in the right place. Now for now, that is all we got. But it's still cool. Most definitely. Now I just gotta go through and let's start with this one. Brightness. Contrast. Oh yeah. I'm hoping you can see which ones I'm doing it to. It is barely coming through on the screen, so that's the biggest reason I'm doing it. My family did not come out here because of the mosquitoes. Yeah, or at least that's what they said. Anyway, they did not think that this would go well, especially if I came out here before it was completely dark out. But if anything, what I really want to do is unscrew that light bulb that is making it bright out here. Okay, this one. Are they looking better? They look better on my screen. So we'll keep doing this. Okay. Much brighter. Much brighter. Oh man, this these people are just walking by, like, I mean, they're just jogging. I don't know if they get the full effect or anything, but yeah. Okay, so enough of that and that. Let's get some of this. And what else do I have? Ooh. Ah. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Oh yeah. sun's gonna come out. Come outside. It's nice out. The weather's actually not bad at all. I'm really liking that. Okay, so I think I'm going to be redoing most of these actually, and getting some new content and a new camera, because you're not seeing any of this really for what it is. But I am going to leave you running because I've got like 5 gigs of memory left. So that's going to keep going. I'm trying to think of what else I can do. Let's try this. That looks like garbage. How about this? It's not terrible. Okay. Yeah, I know you like that effect. Okay. So there's those. Some of this. I'm going to see if I can mess with the hues. Let's get rid of the red. Most of the red anyway. And get back to the dashboard. Ooh. I got rid of most of that and most of this and got more of the red. Ooh. And less of the red, more of the green, less of the green, a little bit more of the green, more of the blue, less of the blue, more of the blue, less of the red, more of the red. That looks good. Oh, it's pretty good. Okay, and now some lines. I need some lines. So let's make a new slice. That's huge. That's the size we're projecting. So, yeah. Oops, wrong selection. Transform. Shrink this down. Make it all nice and thin. Put it along one of these. To like here. Maybe bring it in. Alright. And then duplicate. Let's get another of these going. And another. And maybe another. Nah, that looks good. A bit more over. Yeah. Okay. So we got that. Let's make a new slice again. Let's try to get some diagonals going. There are these really long rectangles going that I would love to implement. So, let's see how good this goes. That's pretty neat. I don't plan on using this video for all of this. know what? Let's go here, and then let's make another, and put different feeds on each of those. Okay, and another. That'll be good, I think. Alright, input selection. Okay, so all the slice 3s become like this, pretty much. Oh, you know what? For this, I kind of want to go like this. That's the wrong one, but okay. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. Alright, so that's that one. And it goes like that or so. And composite. Okay. Maybe bring it down a bit. No, bring it up a bit. And up a bit more. No. That looks good. And next one. That looks pretty sweet, but we gotta tone it down. Alright. That looks pretty good. However, we need the ones that are these ones. Yep. The twos. Need right like here. And another two. Which one is this one? Oh, I see it. You see it? I see it. Okay, so what do we want? We want about here. Does that look natural? Almost. I'm going for it. Going for a kill. It's too far. I don't know what that noise was, but okay. Alright. That looks almost right on. Alright, cool. Saving. Let's get rid of that. That. Get some of this. What? That's pretty sweet. Okay. And some of this. Let's see how this works. Let's get rid of that. Oh yeah. Alright. That's pretty cool. I like that. Some of this. And this. Oh, that's nice. But I personally like this sort of thing. Nice. There's this. Okay. Well, that's all for today. And I'll probably load more videos, but for now that's good.